Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by securing formal authorization and documenting why the admin role is being removed. This protects you and the organization. Once done, compile a clear inventory of accounts, devices, privileges, and critical backups so nothing is lost. Then set a specific maintenance window and notify affected teams. That prevents surprise outages. Make sure to record the planned steps in a change ticket or approval record, so every action is traceable and reversible if needed. You now perform the secure handover. Transfer ownership of critical services and scheduled tasks to the designated replacements and confirm they can perform required operations. Once transfers are verified, revoke delegated privileges in stages rather than all at once, and validate access at each step to catch problems early. Meanwhile, update runbooks, password repositories, and emergency contacts so the team knows who to call. This phased approach reduces risk and keeps systems operational, while removing. To finish, archive or disable the admin account according to company policy and confirm deprovisioning steps were completed in the change ticket. After that, perform access audits and review system logs to verify no unintended access remains. Also test backups and recovery procedures to ensure continuity. If something goes wrong, the first troubleshooting move is to consult the change log and restore the previous approved state or reassign minimal temporary privileges from backups so work continues while you diagnose.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.